1957 house, single family ranch. It's a simple rectangle, 1,000 square feet upstairs, 1,000 square feet downstairs. This is my main return plenum. 28 by 31 with our media filter right there, very low static pressure in the entire system. There are three returns in this house. There's one upstairs for the entire upstairs, a central return. There's one that I'm going to hook up right here. This is the return plenum. And there's going to be a duct going from here over to here. That's going to go right through there. And then the third hole for the return is a fresh air damper duct that goes from right outside the house here, comes straight over and goes into this guy, which is this duct, which goes down into the plenum. Okay, so we've got a return around the corner, one directly up where my finger is upstairs in the first floor, which comes just as like a little C shape and down, and then the fresh air intake here. And the issue that we're facing is we're getting a lot of airflow coming through that space right over there that I currently have covered up with paper bags because I'm trying to diagnose this, like 5.8 miles per hour. Upstairs, we're getting about 2.2 miles per hour. And in this fresh air damper, when it's open and running in fan only mode on the heat pump, we're getting maybe 1 mile per hour or less. There's very little air movement coming through this duct to give us fresh air in the house. Blower doors are 365, so a very tight house. Ductwork has all been sealed. I did not do a duct design on the house because I did not know how to do one yet, but that is our simple duct system. It's just one big run, one big trunk here in the basement, and 2-ton heat pump, heats and cools the entire house. Madison, Wisconsin, climate zone 5A. We have a central return on the first floor of a ranch house, climate zone 5A, Madison, Wisconsin. And down here, 1,000 square feet upstairs, 1,000 square feet downstairs. Fresh air intake damper is right back there. It's the 8 or 6-inch round hole there. And as you can see, as the system is on, you can actually see the light back there. The anemometer is reading no airflow through the vent, and air comes down from where I'm speaking, and then it tucks around back here. I'm gonna show it to you. It goes like this, and then it goes right back down there and down to the return plenum. But you'll notice that if I take this anemometer, right now it's reading 0 miles per hour when I hold it right up into this hole, and I bring it back here. This is at the start. It's hard for you to read, but right now it's reading 1.5, 1.7. And if I bring it down here, 1.3, 1.5, 1.7, 2, 2.2. But maybe there's so much air coming from where I am that it's blocking the air that's supposed to be coming in through the fresh air intake damper. Looking for solutions, I'm not sure what I should do. The fresh air damper runs from outside the house, right out there, and it comes right up through here. You guys can see that duct right back there. There's the little damper thing on it with the little orange nut on the bottom. It's insulated. It comes over here, and then it attaches right up there. So it's just to back up to show you, it comes in right here, it goes straight over, attaches into this piece, which comes over here, and this is my big return plenum that's 28 by 31, and the upstairs main return attaches in right up there, and then it makes this loop and comes down. There will be another return that will attach right over there for the basement, but for some reason I'm getting next to no airflow coming through this return, this outside fresh air damper, when the mechanical damper is open, and I don't know why.